it's Jaden. I'm going to be showing you living doll makeup and hair that'll transform you into a living doll. Without further ado, let's get started. So I just pulled my hair up out of the way. This isn't obviously the hair that I'll be wearing with the living doll costume, but I'll do my actual hair later. First, I'm starting with a foundation that's way lighter than my skin tone so I can look very pale. Okay, now I'm going to add just a little bit of concealer under my eyes. And then just a little bit of finishing powder just to set it all. Next, I'm going to be putting some concealer on my lips to make it like the same color as my skin tone, so the lip color later will pop out. So I'm going to take a white, like big kind of tipped eyeliner thingy, and I'm going to put that under my eyes to make it look like my eyes are really big. Next, I'm going to take the same white liner and kind of like outline the bottom of my eyebrow so it kind of looks like the shape of an eye, if that makes any sense. Next, I'm just taking a black eyeliner and outlining the bottom of the white liner so it'd be kind of like where my eye would be. Using the same black eyeliner, now I'm going to line the top of my eyelid to make it look like it's a full eye. As you can see, I've drawn the line fairly dark so it makes the whole eye pop. Now I have a pink lip stain, which is also going to double for an eyeshadow for me today because it turned out to be the right shade of pink that I was looking for. And I'm just going to color it in where the white is and the black is and just go in between those lines. Using the black liner again, I'm just going to be drawing some bottom eyelashes attached to the under eye line. As you can see, I drew the eyelashes kind of more thick and curvy and jaggedy to give it more of a creepy look. Now I'm going to be adding a lot of mascara to fill in the top lashes. Using this pink blush stick, I'm going to draw circles in the middle of my cheeks and blend it so it looks like really pink and big cheeks. Using this brown eyeliner pen, I'm going to draw a few freckles on my cheeks. Now that the freckles are drawn, I'm going to draw my mouth in a line going up with little stitch things. another lip stain, I'm going to fill in my lips, and I'm going to kind of make like a heart shape so my lips look like they're in the middle of my actual mouth. Now that the face makeup is done, I'm just going to be doing a fun hairstyle that matches the look of the makeup. I'm just going to pull up my hair into 2 messy and uneven pigtails and just make it look as messy as possible. And then when you've pulled it tight, I'm just going to kind of scrunch it a little bit to make some hairs kind of go out. And then pull it tight again, and then for this one, I'm just going to pull it up a little bit higher so it's uneven. Using a brush, I'm just going to tease the pigtails a little bit to make it look messier and crazier. And voila, a cute and creepy doll. I hope you guys enjoyed my video this week. If you guys recreate this look, make sure to tag me on Instagram. My username is @JadenLindsay. Bye!